Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome to our class. So, my name is Teacher Iris. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Danghua.
Tangkwas? Is that
Yes,
correct? Yes, wow. Hello, Tangkwas. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Wow. Okay, so are you ready for our today's lesson?
Yes,
Yes, okay, so let us start our lesson for today. So, for our start, so can you read the title of our lesson?
after school.
Wow, very good. So, our lesson for today is all about after
School.
school. Yes, for after school. So, when we say after school, so it means, can you read this one? Tangkwa? This one.
Af- After school means the time
When
when class when
classes?
class are finished and children can go home, play, rest, or do other activity.
Wow, very good. So thank you so much, Tangwa. So when we say after school, it is the activity that children do after their school. So they can play, they can study, or they can sleep. So that is the things that children do after school. So that will be our lesson for today. So now let's go to our next page to find out our activities after school. So now let's look at the first picture. What do you think is the boy doing in the picture? What do you think
Boy
is
is
the boy is?
the boy is
Study.
study
Yes, very good. So the boy is studying. Let's say,
studying.
yes, the boy is studying. So our word here is study. So
Study.
for, yes, that is our first picture. Next, let's go to our next. Okay, let's look at the second picture. What are the children doing?
Children,
The children are,
the children are bus, go
oh,
bus,
yes, very good. So let's say the children are
playing,
play.
play,
Yes, playing. So they play after school. Next, let's go to our next picture. What do you think is the girl doing?
the sea is singing,
Wow, very good. So the girl is
is
singing.
singing,
Singing.
singing.
Wow, good job. So the girl is singing. How about in the next picture? What is the boy doing?
The boy is
The boy is the boy, let's say the boy is acting.
acting,
Yes, so he is or he acts. So he acts
acting,
as a
acting.
superhero. Yes, acting. Very good. Next, let's go to our next one. What is this?
Why?
Yes, so it is a bike or
Is
bike.
bar,
Very good. Wow, you are so smart. Next, let's go to our next picture. What are the two-person doing? They are,
they, they are dancing.
wow, very good. So they are dancing. So our word here is dance. So now let us find out the things that we can learn into this picture. Let us go to our next page. Okay, so can you read this one, Tangwa?
I like to study at the school.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can you read this word again? Let's say study.
Study.
Very good. So I like to study after school. So let's look at the boy. What is he doing?
The boy I like the boy likes the boy likes study.
Yes,
Study.
very good. So the boy likes to study. So teacher has a question. So Tankwa, do you study after school?
Yes.
Yes. So subject? What subject do you usually study after school? Do you study science, English, mathematics? What subject? What subject do you study? Do you have a math lesson, English lesson, science, or
Yes.
no? Yes. So you study science or math or mathematics. Yes?
Study.
Do you like to study?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know because I can see that you are
Yes,
really
I do.
smart. Yes, I do. Very good. I can see that you really love to study. Next, let's go to our next page. Let's read. I like.
I like to play at the school.
Very good. So this one, I have a question. So can you read the question?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay, let's read. Where can we play after school? So, where do you play after school? Do you play at the playground?
Yes.
Yes. So, you can say, yes, I play at the playground. Let's say, yes.
Yes, I play at the playground.
Very good. One more time. Let's say, play. Play.
Plays.
Good job. Next. So, what games do you like to play after school? What games do you like? Do you like to play after school? Do you play football? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes. Wow, you are so sporty. So you can answer yes. I play football.
Yes, I play footballs.
Yes, very good. So good job. Next, let's go to our next one. Okay, so let's read this one.
I like to dance at the school.
Very good. So now teacher has a question. So Tankwa, do you like to dance after
Yes.
school? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I choose.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I like to dance.
I like to dance.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next one. Let's read. I like.
To ask at the school.
Very good. I like to act after school. So, do you like to act after school, Tankwa?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. I like to
I
act
like I like to ask.
after school. Very good. Now, I have another question here. So, do you know what character is this? So, do you know who is he, this boy? or what character is this
Boy
boy?
is us.
Yes, the boy is acting. So do you know who is he? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, who is he? Let's say
No. No.
no. No, he is Robin Hood. So let's say Robin Hood. Okay, so Robin Hood. So can you read this one?
He
Like,
is Robin Hood. It's a hero.
yes, he
He
is.
is he is famous for being very good at shooting out and for
Arrows.
arrows and for helping helps being books people
Very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say famous.
famous
Good job. Next, arrows.
arrows
Helping.
happy.
Yes, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. So this is Robin Hood. So Robin Hood is a hero. He helps people. He helps poor people. Okay, so he is good at shooting arrows. So that's why he is well known for this character or to act. Many people act as his character. Okay, next. Let's go to our next page. So can you read this one?
I like to read at the school.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can you read this one? Let's say read.
Read.
Very good. So now teacher has a question. So where can we read books?
Yes, I do.
Where? Where can we read
Yes,
books?
I can.
Where? What place? What place we can read books? Do you
Yes.
yes? Do you know what a library is? Do you know library?
Tell me.
Yes. Do you know this one? Library.
Library.
Yes. Do you know what is this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is library?
Yes, I guess.
Yes. When we say library, so it is a place where we can read books like in the picture. Let's look at the picture. So they read books at a library. So a library is a place where there are lots of books. So these are books. We can see this in a library. There are bookshelves, books that you can read. So that is the place that we can read books. So in a library. Let's say in a library. In a
Yes.
yes, in
In
a
in
library.
a, in a library.
Very good. Now, teacher has a question again. Where can we read book?
In a library.
Very good. One
In
more time.
a,
Let's
in a,
live.
in a library.
Wow, very good. Good job, Tanqua. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay, so can you read this one?
I like to sing at the school.
Very good. I like to sing after school. So now, do you like to sing, Tanqua? Do you sing?
Yes.
Yes, yes, I
Yes,
do.
I do. I like to
Yes.
sing.
Yes, I like to sing. So what is or what are the songs that you sing?
Yes.
What are the songs? Do you sing happy birthday song? Do you know happy birthday song? Happy birthday.
The
Do you know?
you.
Yes, very good. So, what are the songs? Do you know Old MacDonald had a farm?
Gira, gira,
Well, very good. You're a great singer. How about Twinkle, Twinkle? Do you know what is little twinkle, twinkle, little
the
star?
arts.
How I wonder what you are. Wow, very good. So that are the songs that we can sing. Next. Okay, let's read this one.
I like to buy after school.
Very good. I like to bike after school. Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I
Yes,
like to buy.
yes. And let's take a look at what they are wearing. Do you know what is on their head?
Yes.
What what do you call that one? In their head. It is they are wearing a helmet. Let's say helmet.
When helmet.
Yes, very good. So take a look at the picture. So they have a helmet. When
They
they,
have a
they
helmet.
yes,
Need to buy.
when they are riding a bike, they wear a helmet. Why do you think we should wear helmet? Why do you think that we need to wear a helmet when riding a bike? Why do we need
Helmet. They are winning a
we need
helmet.
to wear helmet
We need to wear helmets.
to protect.
Helmets.
Yes, this
Of
one. Can you read this one, Tanqua?
really take a how. Oh yeah.
Okay, one more time. We need
We need to wear
where
helmets. Wear helmets
to.
to protect our hair.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this word. Let's say protect. Prot.
Protect.
Very
Protect.
good. Head.
Head.
Yes, good job. So we need to wear helmet because it will protect our head. So when we have an accident, so it will not destroy our head. So that is the use of the helmets. Okay. So next, let's read this one, this last one.
We like to have fun at the school.
Yes, very good. We like to have fun after school. So now, teacher has a question, Sangkwa. Do you have friends?
Yes.
Yes, do you have friends? Um, in the picture, let's take a look. Let's look at the picture. So, do you think, or how many people, how many people are
People
there?
out there.
How many? Let's count. One,
Five,
two, let's
three,
count. Four, four,
five,
five, six.
four, seven,
Okay, how many people are there? There are,
six, seven, seven.
yes, very good. So there are seven people. Seven people.
There
Yeah,
are seven people.
very good. So do you think these people are friends? Yes or no?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Why? Yes. Why? Why are they friends?
I like you people. I like you friend.
Yes. Why do you think they are friends? Because they are happy.
Like, because they are happy together.
Yes, very good because they are happy together. So that's why they are friends. Very good. Next. Okay, now let's learn about these pictures again. So can you tell me what is this?
He is studying.
Very good. He is studying. One more time. Let's say studying.
Studying
Good
is
job.
studying.
Yes. How about our second picture? They are
They are
play.
they are playing.
Yes, very good. Good job, Tangkwa. Next picture. Okay. What is the girl doing? She is
She is singing.
very good. Next. What is the boy doing?
He is acting.
Yes, very good. Wow. Next, what is this?
Bye.
Bike. A bicycle. Bike or bicycle. Very good.
Bye or bicycle.
Good job. Next, what are they doing?
They are they are dance.
Yes, very
They are
good.
dancing.
They are dancing. Very good. Next, let us go to our next activity. Oh, so we have answered this question. Now, what is the girl doing?
The girl is dancing.
Very good. Good job. Do you think the girl is happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So yes. Yes, the girl is
Happy.
happy. Very good. Next. Next. Okay. What is the octopus doing?
An octopus is singing.
Singing. Very good. An octopus is singing. How about this one? What is he doing here?
Octopus is singing very happy.
He is very happy. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what is this?
Yes.
This is a
This is a guitar.
very good. This is a guitar. So the octopus is singing, playing
In
guitar.
playing guitar.
Very good. Next one. Let's go to our next page. Okay. What is the chick doing?
The Rick and chick is study.
Very good. A chick is, can you read that one again? Study,
In
studying. Very good. Good job. Next, what is the boy doing?
the boy
Likes to
like to study.
very good. The boy likes to study. So he is, what is he reading? He
Yes.
is, what what is he reading?
Reading book.
Yes. So he is reading a book, an ABC book. Okay, very good, Tangkwang. Next page. Okay. What
I
what is the Raymond doing?
I want to dancing.
Very good. I want to dance.
I want to dance like a Doraemon.
Very good. I like to dance or I want to dance like a Doraemon. Very good. Next, what is the girl riding?
I can ride a bike.
Very good. Wow, you are so smart. I can ride a bike. Next. Okay, now let's look at these pictures. Now let's look at this
Doctor.
picture. What is the boy doing? This. The boy is
Into. Into.
the boy is playing.
The boy is playing soccer.
Yes, very good. The boy is playing soccer. How about this girl? What is she doing?
The girl is dancing.
Dancing ballet. It's
Dancing ballet.
very good. Next, what is the boy doing in the third picture?
The boy is acting.
Good job. The boy is acting. How about this girl? What is the girl doing? The
The
girl
girl is studying.
studying. Very good. The girl is studying. How about the next girl? What is she doing?
The girl is
S- The girl is what is she
singing.
doing? Singing. Very good. The girl is singing. How about the last girl? What is she doing?
The girl is by.
Yeah. Is
It right by.
very good. One more time. Let's say the girl is
Riding a bike.
very good. Now, let's go to these words. So, do you know what? Can you read this one first?
Yes.
Out, outdoor. Let's say outdoor.
Yes, we outdoor.
Very good. So, when we say outdoor, so it is activities or things that we do outside. So, we can do it in the park, playground. So that is outdoor. So now let's take a look of this first picture. Do you think this is an outdoor activity? Yes or
Right?
no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. It is. How about this one? Is this an outdoor activity?
Yes. No.
Yes. Are you no, very good. No. So that is our second word here. Let's say indoor.
Say indoor.
Yes. So when we say indoor, so these are the things that we do inside. So like in our house, in the classroom, or in the gym. So this is an indoor activity. How about this one? Acting. Is this an indoor or outdoor activity?
Indoor.
Yes, very good. So this is an indoor, but sometimes this can be also an outdoor, because some acting or some acts, so they require some places like parks. Yeah. Okay, this one. Let's go to this picture. So is this an outdoor, indoor?
Outdoor.
Are you sure? Are you sure studying can be outdoor or
Indoor.
indoor? Very good. Because we can study at our house. So for this one, do you think singing is an
Out.
outdoor or indoor?
Out.
Outdoor. Very good. So it can be outdoor because most singers, so they are singing in the concert, which is outdoor. So it can also be indoor. Okay, next. How about this girl? Is riding a bike an indoor or outdoor?
Indoor.
Are you sure? When we say indoor, it is inside a place.
Out.
Outdoor, very good, because riding a bike, so it needs a wide place so that we can ride freely. So when we ride a bike in our house, so it can be done. Okay, so now, Tangwa, it's the end of our lesson for today. So you did a great job in our today's lesson. So I can see that you can read you can read the sentences and words that we have for today. So however, I noticed that somehow you are having a hard time understanding a sentence or the words. So teacher suggests that you study our lesson material, especially study outdoor and indoor, so that you can fully understand the meaning of outdoor and indoor. Okay? Okay, so thank you so much, Tankwa. You did a great job today. So it is the end of our lesson. I hope to see you again soon. And thank you so much. You did a very good job today. Bye bye. Thank you so
Thank
much.
thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Take care. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good job. Bye bye.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Practice more, okay?